Hi, in this video I will show you how to see the block list on the TikTok. So if you have blocked someone and now you want to unblock that person and you want to see your block list, simply you have to open your TikTok mobile application and click on the profile from the right bottom. Now you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. You will see multiple options here. Simply you have to click on the privacy, and in the privacy you will see multiple options. Scroll up and you will see a blocked account option on the bottom. Tap on it. Once you will tap on it, you will see your block list is here. So if you want to unblock, simply click on the unblock to unblock that person. Otherwise your block list is here. So in this way you can see your blocked friends on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.